Good morning, good afternoon, and in case I don't see you, great evening. This is your flexitarian friend, Jael Tanti. I'm going to show you how to make a hair cream to blow dry your hair without ripping your hair, especially if you have curly hair like me. And also, if you don't want to use it for blow drying, which actually has like a heat resistant, you can actually just take a little bit of the cream and put it on the bottom of your curly hair to make those bouncy curls. So one of the things that I like to show people and I like to train people is if you are not willing to eat the cream that you're going to put in your face or your body, then do not put it on because that means that it's not healthy. I'm going to show you a plant-based recipe that I use for my face, I use for my skin, and I also use for my hair. One cream, three ingredients, four ingredients, and they are natural ingredients that you can find in your backyard. So let's get started. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take a blender, and then we're gonna take, this is approximately about half a cup, and I'm saying half a cup because once I take all the skin out, you are just left with the gel. Then we're gonna use first 1 cup of cold pressed organic coconut oil. Okay, that's number one. Number two ingredient is we're gonna take the aloe vera, and this is how you fillet the aloe vera. So you take it and you bring your knife inside, and it's like almost like filleting a fish. Okay, you don't want to leave any of the flesh in there. We want to make sure that we just take out only the skin. Okay, so that's just the skin. In fact, you can put this to make your skin a little bit tighter. It's really good for you. Put it on your legs too. Okay, this is very healthy for you. In fact, we put that in our smoothies every morning. Okay, so any extra little skin, take it off, and just like that, it comes off. Now we take the other part, okay, the bottom part, and basically you just do the same thing. Take the knife and go along the skin and take out just the skin. And whoa, this is very slippery, and being careful not to cut yourself. And I'm using my gloves today because this can get very slippery. Okay, so we have here, so this is approximately a half a cup. All right, so we'll put the gel in the blender. Now, next thing, this is something I can put on my skin, and is rose oil. Very beautiful, aromatic rose absolute is absolutely incredibly amazing. So I'm gonna add a few drops. This is gonna be incredible, and it's going to smell beautiful. So if you want to protect it so it lasts a little bit longer, we are going to add a little bit, a tablespoon of vitamin E oil, which is excellent, great for you. You get vitamin E that you can put in a capsule. You can also drink it. Same thing. Rosemary. Rosemary is going to get all the impurities from your face, and it's going to make it very lovely. Oh gosh. If we cannot open this, we will not put it because this is my optional. Oh, there you go. Oh, heavenly. I like to put this in my shampoo, which I'm going to show you how to put it on your shampoo too. So a few drops of the rosemary. So that's 4 ingredients. And now the next thing is, see, I have leftover because I'm going to put it on my shampoo, and I'm going to give you the formula for that too. Because when you come to my channel and you subscribe to my channel, you will get the best recipes ever. You will learn the easiest, delicious, practical things that you can find in your backyard, things that you can grow in your backyard. That's my motto. Okay, so we take the blender now and we put it in, put the lid on, and we go. Count the minutes. Beautiful. Now this cream, because it's summertime, it is a little bit liquidy, which I could actually use for my shampoo right now. But also, once it cools off, the temperature cools off, you'll end up with something that looks like this. Just like that. So you take a little bit, smells delicious. So it melts in your hands and use it on your skin. And then you put it on your hair. So if you have curly hair, I just put it on the bottom. My hair gets very tangly. And so I like to put this and then blow dry my hair super straight. It takes me 15 minutes to do it. And the last little bit left over in my hand, I put it on the top so it doesn't look very greasy. So that's, not only this cream is going to make your hair very thick, because my hair used to be very, very thin. I can show you pictures of how like scrawny my hair was. Okay, now I have more hair. It stops some of the gray. I don't color my hair ever, so it stops some of the gray. And the best part is it helps you grow the hair healthy. In fact, when I go to my hairdresser, he goes, your hair is the healthiest hair I've ever seen. And I don't use any chemicals on my hair. I just use the products that I make. So when you pour your cream, you want to make sure that it's poured into a sterilized jar, and that will keep it for at least, I've had this for at least 2 months and still not rancid, smells very delicious, very nutritious. So I'm going to put a little bit in here so you can see the consistency. But when I actually use like in the winter time when I make it, it is creamy. It's almost like whipping cream. So you take this cream, it smells gorgeous and it's so smooth. And it's plant-based. So if you don't want to put animal products in your hair, oh my God, this is so cool. Oh boy. Okay, this is perfect. So I'm going to douse myself with this gorgeous, it's luxurious cream. So let's get making this cream every day at home and make your skin love you again. Be moisturized, put it in the morning before you go to work or before you start your day, and you can also put it at night. This is really amazing. So all of this cream will be absorbed into my body and it will create something very beautiful. So I don't wear any makeup other than lipstick. That's about it. But when I make my creams, I feel incredibly amazing. Bouncy, bouncy. Hair you can be proud of, especially curly hair. Deep hydration, anti-aging support. This is what this beautiful cream that I showed you how to make earlier is all about. It's so gorgeous, luxurious. As I said, oh, it feels amazing. I put this even when I go in the sun. So if I want to blow dry my hair, which I will show you later on, it does make wonders because it doesn't burn your hair because of the high point of heat that coconut oil can do for your hair. So next time that you're thinking about putting chemicals in your hair, think twice. Not only is very, very expensive, but it also ruins your hair and it ruins your skin. I never put anything in my beautiful skin unless it's something that I made that I know that is nourishing and anti-aging. This is the best cream ever. So for more tips on how to take care of your skin and how to take care of your curly hair that sometimes can be unmanageable, subscribe to my channel. You know the program, right? Like, share, subscribe to my channel is youtube.com/The Happy Cooking Club. If you're looking at this video right now, it's because you're in it. Thank you for watching. Again, this is your flexitarian friend, Jael Tanti. Until then, have a happy, healthy, and creamy, beautiful day. Ciao.